Baby, you're supposed to be manning the grill. My back was hurting. Honey, my back's hurting. Just having a little backyard barbecue. Got the neighbors across the way doing some bit joking. I'm jamming out to some good country music. Man, a beautiful, beautiful day here in the Philippines. It's Monday, I think. I think it's Monday. Just put a few pieces of chicken on the Joy charcoal stove. Gonna enjoy some chicken tonight. They spiced it up with soy sauce. I didn't complain. I said, all right, you go with soy sauce tonight. Tomorrow night, I'm coming in there with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on some pork chops. Folks, we got this little oasis of a backyard here. I got roosters, I got vidyoki going on. Little boy over there in the hot tub playing around. Folks, living the dream. He's sitting over there, folks, underneath the guava tree. But I don't see no guavas left because I think these 80s ate all the guavas off of the tree. Good job, baby. All right, baby, get them vegetables back on there. Oh. Ooh, watch that popper. Ladies, do we have to use the guava tree as a storage device, as a rack? I mean, look at this, folks. They got the laundry stuff up in the tree. They got the barbecue fan up in the tree. Ladies, let's have a little respect for the guava tree. You ate all the, no, I see one guava over there. There is one guava. There ain't many. Honey, there were many, and you ate every one but 3.
This one? I'm not eat that one. Oh, to get the 2 in there, oh.
Folks, look at this dinner table. Forrest G is over there tearing it up. He is tearing it up. Fatima ain't waiting on nobody. Ain't waiting on nobody. Janice got my Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I got a side of jalapenos. I mean barbecue taters, onions, tomatoes, and eggplant.
Go eat.
All right, folks, we're finna tear it up. I want to thank everybody for joining us on tonight's little barbecue video. If you're not a subscriber, the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, hit that overstay road sign. And we will see y'all on the next one, my friends. Peace out.